Today we're going to change out the final drive oil here on this 250sx Honda 3-wheeler. The first thing we need to do is remove this guy right here. And you can see it's pretty nasty. I took this wheel off here so you can see where the drain plug is at. It's tucked way up underneath there. So we're going to remove that guy and drain out all these nasty fluids that are in there. Loosen this guy right here. Let that drain out. To get the rest of this garbage out of here, what we're going to do is we're going to take this air hose and this nozzle. I'm going to take a rag. I'm just simply going to kind of put a little bit of pressure right there. Hopefully it'll blow some of that stuff out on the back side there. Alright, after you put the drain plug back in on the bottom, I'm going to use this 7590 here. We're going to fill it up. It says use 3.3 ounces. I'm just going to fill that bad boy all the way up to the top. Put the main plug back on. We're good to go. Thanks for watching.